Are your eyes tired from seeking color so bright? Is your tongue dried from seeking the flavor's bite? And at the destination, did your steps alight? Come sit and have a cup of hot black coffee. Don't you ever add sugar to your own pain? Don't be fooled, wounds aren't flowers in the rain. Don't cook the meal that never was and can't remain. Come sit and have a cup of hot black coffee. Come sit, take this drink, go back to the real you. Bitter taste, blackness, brown soil, and navy blue. Fake colors, false tastes, unfitted caps, never true. Come sit and have a cup of hot black coffee.